15 Best Cocktail Blogs and Websites You Need to Visit. There are thousands of fantastic blogs on drinking and making cocktails on the web. And we know that looking at them individually can be taxing. So to help you save time, we put together a list of well-known cocktail websites as well as hidden gems. Here are the best cocktail blogs and websites that are worth checking out. Number 1. Cocktail Hammer. Their tagline is "Stay home, get hammered," and that says it all. Cocktail Hammer is an excellent website for those specifically looking to make drinks from the comfort of their own home. The website is owned and operated by 2 U.S. military veterans with a passion for all things cocktails. They cover not only cocktails, but also spirits and product reviews. Number 2. The Drink Blog. This blog gets right to it. No fluff, no messing around. Just great cocktail recipes and stories behind them. Cocktail blogger and writer Morgan and photographer Alice make a great combo as they pair some of the tastiest drinks with incredible photos. Number 3. The Tipsy Bartender. The Tipsy Bartender offers great cocktail recipes all the time, but one of this blog's most remarkable features is My Liquor Cabinet. Just type in the alcohol you have on hand, and voila! The blog magically generates a list of great cocktails you can make. Number 4. Tales of the Cocktail. Tales of the Cocktail is a bit different from other blogs. This isn't just about drink reviews or recipes, but the Tales of the Cocktail event and other great liquor gatherings worldwide. They tell bartenders' stories, talk about spirits history, and news from around the industry. Number 5. In Toxicology. Do you know how many dashes in an ounce? Or how many ounces in a Mickey? It's great to find a conversion table on a cocktail website alongside tons of great drinks, many of which seem to be timed for holidays and events like the Oscars. A great way to prepare in a timely fashion. Number 6. Craft and Cocktails. Cocktail blogger Ashley Rose Conway isn't running a big business on her blog, but this bartender's daughter says she's always in search of the perfect drink. You can find dozens of drinks in her website's index that shows diverse themes and alcohol categories. Number 7. Thirsty Camel Cocktails. Brainstorming new ideas and topics for a blog can be challenging, but the cocktail blogger Carla does a great job of publishing several recipes a week and great bar reviews. Thirsty Camel Cocktails is a great website to visit if you want to get inspired. Number 8. Beautiful Booze. Natalie started this blog because she couldn't find cocktail recipes for the home bartender. She led the way and now has over 450 cocktail recipes, all of which look great. Definitely worth a regular visit to expand your horizons. Number 9. Drinking with Chickens. There's no hidden meaning in that name. Kate loves to sip on a great drink in her garden with her chickens all around her. That part may not be for everyone, but the great stories and amazing cocktail recipes she shares are relatable to all. Number 10. Difford's Guide for Discerning Drinkers. This is a fantastic blog for taking notes on great cocktail ideas. There are sections designed explicitly for bartenders, but a large part of the blog is for general interest. This blog features excellent drinks and tells the stories behind them. They also offer great variations of the same recipe. Number 11. The Alcohol Professor. The website's tagline is "The class you always wanted to take," an apt description. It covers not only cocktails, but also spirits, wine, and beer. There is even a blog entry on the history of ice, and it's way more interesting than you'd expect. Number 12. Bevy. Great cocktail recipes. Tips on how to become a pro bartender. Check. These are standout qualities of Bevy. But one of the pages we found unique and cool is their Who's Who in Booze, which features short bios of some of the most influential people in the industry, including website founders, writers, bartenders, owners, and even distillers. Number 13. Home Bar Basics. Home Bar Basics is great when you're serious about learning to set up and run your home bar. With cocktail recipes for 12 basic drinks, and many non-basics, as they put it, you'll be off to a flying start. There are also tips on how to run the party, whether you're at home or on the road. Number 14. Cocktail Safe. You can make out the purpose of the website from the name itself. Cocktail Safe is dedicated to teaching you about all the safe cocktail ingredients you can mix with your drinks. Making cocktails is a fun experience, but since many of us are fond of experimenting, we may never know when something goes wrong that can cause poisoning. Thankfully, we have this cocktail website to guide us through the process. Number 15. Booze Nerds. Booze Nerds was founded by Krista and her husband Sean, who consider themselves mad behind drinking. The website has a dedicated section for cocktails where you can find their variation of drinks. And for someone new to cocktails, you can also check out their booze glossary. And there you have it. 15 of the best cocktail blogs and websites you should visit today. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. You can find the complete list on our blog, so check the description box for the link. What are other cocktail blogs you love to follow? Let us know in the comments.